Good morning. So today's going to be kind of an easy day. I already started a little bit. I picked up the coils that I had cut up that were on the ground. I just switched trucks around. I've got to put the doors are open on the head in my pickup truck because I left both windows open yesterday. It poured. My wife shut the window. She told me, so I'm letting them dry out. They're not too bad, but I got to put my summer tires on. This truck, this has studded snow tires, and it's June 20th. All right, let's go retrieve my tires. Chickens. Oh, I can come quite a ways in further, I guess. Soft tie seems a little low even. Get in. Just back up and drive forward, but I know you're not going to be happy if I don't let you come with me. Well, idiot. You're a good boy. You're a good idiot, though, huh? I know. Gotta kiss me, I know. I love you too. Let's put that in the middle. Right about there, and let's go in until we hit it. How's that? Huh? How's that? Almost in the middle, not nowhere near the middle. Oh boy. Oh boy, Montz. Oh boy. Come on, silly goose. What do you think? He's not giving up, is he? Let's put you this way this time. Wow, I think the brake's stuck a little bit. I have to check that out, huh? That's not good at all. Who's that? Is that Johnny?
So guys, don't do what I just did. I just realized the mistake I made, and I didn't even realize it until just now.
No, I'm taking my stud ties off, but this one's frozen a little bit. I just found out.
I
Huh? No, you probably wouldn't feel it, but I'm sure it's not doing good for gas mileage. I can't even turn it here by hand.
just realized that the brakes are frozen
So I
on this
guess
side, and
this might turn into a
I
brake job or caliper or whatever. It looks like brake job too. Probably needs it.
didn't put any jack stands underneath this once I realized I had to work on it. I don't normally use jack stands just to change tires, but when I work on a vehicle, I always use jack stands or secure it, and for some reason I didn't. Not smart. I didn't get under the vehicle at all. I was sitting in the chair most of the time, but still, I normally do it, and I didn't.
Huh. Caliper, probably need a caliper and pads. So we'll grab this caliper off, check the brake pads. The brake pads don't look too bad. Now that I see them. Rotor's a little not great. Maybe I'll take it off, have Danny turn it if the brake pads are good. Probably gonna need a caliper though. Huh? Don't know, it's going back pretty good. Hopefully it's not my wheel bearing. It's still kind of tight. Pads are okay. You know what? It's not all messed up. I'm gonna be. Maybe they just stuck on the slides. Yeah, it's a little better. I don't want to, but I'm gonna have to, aren't I? Oh, that's bigger than 18 even, huh? What the hell is it gonna be? I'm gonna do it another day. I'm not gonna. I don't feel like it today. I gotta do it. I can't. All right, here we go. This isn't what I expected to do today, but. Hopefully it all comes back apart and goes back together without having to go buy anything. Well, let's just try cleaning this up. Most of the time you got to get into the cast, that kind of rust, got flake pushing against it. Might be able to file clean this up and file the other ends up and move them up and Maybe, I don't know. Honestly, I didn't feel any problems driving it. It just seems tight to me.
So here what I'm doing is I'm trying to just clean up the metal inserts, but I had to pull them off and file down and clean up the metal that was rusting behind it. I filed down the ends of the pads a little bit in the paint and make it move and lube it up with anti-seize. So over here I have to apologize also. I did, my battery went dead and I lost footage somewhere because I have none of the rest. This truck is up and running. I just had to straighten out this side. Thanks for watching.
Mom, I want to be with her. What's the matter? You don't like that? Oh my gosh, you're in the water. She put you in the water. Oh no.